Hey guys, welcome to the 2024 end of the year bloopers. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to edit many videos this year, but there are a lot more videos in 2025, so you can check those bloopers out. I'll link it in the description. Last year we had about 13 videos. This year we only have 3. Dad has been deployed on Navy duty all year, so that's why we have so little videos. But anyways, I hope you guys like the bloopers that we have, and let's get started.
So dirt's everywhere. And then the ambulance puked all over it, so I got grease and snot and whatever all over the ambulance. Ow. Oops. Look at that sexy Z. Is this it? Okay, something's not right in there. Ambulance poo. Ambulance poo. This should go really easy now, right? I'm pretty irritated right now. Come on. Stay. Solder time. See if we can do it without arcing the positive on anything. That would be a bad day. Oh, yep, already screwed it up. All right, we're gonna take the positive off. Get this. Now that I've ruined everything, like everything's going haywire here. That wasn't good. Don't do that. F you. Oh, hey, Blue. You come to help? Blue also want to say hi. Say hi, Blue. Blue, say hi. I guess that's good enough. And this stupid thing doesn't work. I use my nose on this too. Oh my god. And I think to myself, what a giant pain in the butt. Don't fall. You're gonna fall. I already knew it. Knew it. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun. How are you gonna do this? Oh, glad you're recording it around. Screams, where are you going? Screamy buns. What are you doing? Come here. What's up? What's up? Oh, you want hugs? Boom. Boom shakalaka. Alright, you guys sit here and tell me if it catches on fire. Stupid selfie stick. It's not selfie sticking. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. What was that? Do I have something leaning out somewhere? No?
That's all for the 2024 bloopers. If you like this video, make sure to check out the 2025 bloopers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the comments.